Hello, it's Colin here, welcome back to the channel, good to see you. Back with more rock and roll, and today we're going to look at Raunchy by Link Wray. I think it was released in about 1960, a big song at the time. There's lots of versions out there at that time. We did a version by the Beatles recently, it's quite similar, but this is a little bit more succinct and precise in terms of the actual riff. It's not too difficult, you can learn it quickly and you can play the whole song, and if you've got a band, that's another one for your set. I've got the tab in the description down below. You can download the tab at your leisure and you can play along. So the main riff is quite simple. So it starts on the A string, it's in the key of D. I've got a little bit of tremolo on, you can hear that. So we'll play the A string open twice, then we'll play 3 on the A, then open. And I'm just bending that 3rd fret on the A slightly. And we're going to play the D chord 3 times. And then 3 on the D, then 4 on the D, then back to 3, then 4, back to the D chord. So the whole thing. Goes to a G7, but you're playing the G7 the old cowboy chord way, so that's 1 on the top string, 3 on the bottom string, 2 on the A, but we're going to put our pinky onto the 3rd fret of the B, and we're going to play the 3 on the E first, and then we'll just do down, up, up, down sort of thing. One more time. And we're going to play that same rhythm over the D7 chord, just your standard D7 cowboy chord. So 2 on the G, 1 on the B, 2 on the top string. And we're going to play the open D string first. Then we're going to go to an A7 chord. And then back to that funny G chord that we did a minute ago. And then we're going to play a D7 chord. Just a quick wee video for you today, folks, just to keep you going. It's a busy week for me because I was doing some exams this week, professional exams, and it was a bit time consuming, so I haven't had so much time this week to do video stuff, but that's out the way now, so it'll be back to normal. We'll be back more with next week with more rock and roll, and I look forward to that. So keep rocking, drop me comments, and keep liking and subscribing. Thank you very much, see you next time.